Good morning, everyone. Showers and thunderstorms possible this morning, and we are going to be windy as well, gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Of course, all of this in advance of a cold front that we are waiting to pass us by. Now, the same system did bring some wild weather to areas north of us this morning, a possible tornado touchdown in Hillsborough County. We're keeping our eye on that, and we're keeping our eye on the system for you. Now, let's take a look at it in Futurecast, and you can see by your late morning commute into the early afternoon, that's when it's working its way through our area, and then clears out nicely by the mid to late afternoon hours. Your weekend looking great. But again, we're going to keep our eye on this. We just have to work our way through this, and then a nice weekend ahead. Let's take another look at that in your Futurecast. You can see it's really in the late morning, early afternoon hours that it passes us by, but then blows by us, and again, great weekend ahead once this does pass us by. Great Friday afternoon and evening ahead as well. Just a few clouds we'll be dealing with once this again does pass us by. Let's take a look at the numbers for today. We're going to be warm. We already feel a little bit humid out there. So 72 for Sarasota, Venice, and Inglewood this afternoon. These will be our high temperatures. 73 in Palm Air, 76 for Northport, and 75 in Port Charlotte and Punta Gorda, 70 for Boca Grande today. Now, taking a look at those state temperatures, we're looking at 84 in Miami today with a slight chance of some showers. 80 West Palm and Vero Beach, 76 in Gainesville, 73 in Tallahassee, and 78 in Fort Myers, just down the road today. We started out the morning with a dense fog advisory for boaters, and that clears up. And then we're looking at winds out of the 15 at about 15 knots beyond that. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Chop is moderate. Water temperature 60 degrees. Your UVA today is a 3, but water temperature, yes, is up to 60 degrees. Taking a look at the national picture in the west, once again, one of the most significant winter storms in recent history is pounding the southwest with excessive snow, rain, and damaging winds, and heavy rain and snow will bombard the Four Corners as well today. So we again are keeping our eye on this system. Arizona could see 8+ inches of rain, and also in the higher mountain elevations of Arizona we could see 4 to 7 feet of snow. So yeah, definitely keeping our eye on this wild weather. Now in the Midwest, a storm system will cross into the Rockies and grow stronger as it moves into the Midwest this weekend. So other than that, today we do see in the morning hours some freezing rain, some areas of freezing rain, so keeping our eye on that as well. Now in the south today, showers and thunderstorms in Florida. We are keeping our eye on that for us this morning. And in the northeast, much of the northeast will be dry, the northern part, and the more southern portion will see some showers and thunderstorm activity as well. Let's take a look at the numbers across the nation. 36 in Boston, 45 St. Louis, 47 in Denver, 56 for Phoenix today, and 79 in Brownsville, Texas. We're looking for 72 degrees. We are seeing morning fog, windy as well this morning with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. We're looking for a daytime high climbing to 72 degrees today. Could feel wind gusts this morning up to 20 miles per hour. Of course, we're waiting for a cold front to pass us by. Partly cloudy, sunset 6 so far. Low of 60 degrees overnight. Let's take a look at the next 6 days. So this cold front really will not drop our temperatures too significantly. Tomorrow, look at this, 76 degrees. And Sunday, we're looking at a warm 78. So your weekend really looks great. We expect another cold front to push through on Monday. That will lower our temperatures to the mid to upper 60s. But beyond that, we see a warm up once again. That's a look at your forecast. Thanks for logging on to Herald-Tribune.com.